Hello friends, in this video we are going to develop a cryptographic algorithm which we can customize and modify according to our need. We will use Cryptool 2.0 for the purpose. You can download the Cryptool from its official site and install it. Installation is quite simple. Suppose that we want to develop one algorithm. In this we are having two end users and they want to communicate through unsecured channel. We need to develop an algorithm for them for the purpose of encryption and decryption by using modern block cipher, in which algorithm will take the input, or you can say that the plain text, from a source file and generate the output or ciphertext to the end file and vice versa. So scenario is that we will use one cryptographic algorithm. Now just open the Cryptool. When you will open the Cryptool, you will get the screen like this. After that, you can go to the wizard. Just click on the start center. This is the start center. You can go to the wizard section. Here we are going to develop the algorithm for the encryption and decryption. So you can select the first option, that is encryption and decryption. Click on the next button. After this, it is asking about which kind of algorithm you want to develop. You want to develop the classical algorithm or modern algorithm. So we are going for the modern encryption algorithm. So click on the modern encryption and decryption algorithm. After that, click on the next button. Now it is asking about the symmetric encryption or decryption or asymmetric encryption or decryption. So click on the symmetric encryption, decryption. After that, click on the next button. So we will select the DES. After clicking the DES, it will give you some description about the DES. That is the data encryption standard. It is a symmetric block cipher. It is based on the symmetric algorithm that uses a 56-bit key. Just click on the next button. Now we want to develop the algorithm for the encryption purpose. So from here you can select the encryption or decryption. So click on the encrypt button, and what kind of the chaining mode you want to use. Actually, when we are going for the development of the algorithm with the help of modern block cipher, we need to select the chaining mode. That is, it will use one block encryption or decryption at one time. So after that, because the data will come in sequential way, so you can select one of the algorithm, ECB, CBC, CFB or OFB. It depends upon you. And when you are going to select ECB, both encryption and decryption will select the chaining mode, electronic code book. So this is the key value. This is the by default key value. You can give your own customized key from here. This is 56-bit key. Actually it is 64-bit key, but according to DES, the 8th multiplier of the bits we need to drop, so it will become 56-bit key. So you can change the key value from here. This is the one message, or you can write your own message from here. Click on the next button. It will show you the DES output. That is, this is the text which is now encrypted. But our objective is we want to develop the algorithm as per our need. That is, we want to give the input from our own file. So to customize this algorithm, what you need to do, just click on the workplace. When you will click on the workplace, it will show you, that is the design of the DES algorithm for the encryption. So just reduce the size. If you will see from here, this is the main algorithm which is using encryption, and we are using electronic code book. Here we are using the complete algorithm for the encryption for the DES. Okay, this is the key generator. This one is the key generator. The input key is this one, which is 56-bit key. You can customize this key. You can note down this key for our future purpose for the communication. This is the input text. Next, it is showing the text format. It is text format. Input format is text, and output data encoding we are using ASCII code. Next, the output we are using hexadecimal values. Okay, it depends upon you what kind of the values you want to use. you want to use text value, decimal, binary, or whatever the thing, it will show you the option. And this is the output for this text. That is, this is the plain text and this is the ciphertext. Now we want to customize this algorithm. So what we need to do, just click on the stop button, and we want to give the input from our own file. So remove the text from here, and same thing, remove the output from here. Now we want to give the input from the given source. So for this purpose, click on the tool button. When you will click on the tool button, it will show you a lot the option. We want to give the input from one file, so use this file, drag and drop to your workbench. Same thing for the file output. Click on the file output, drag and drop on your workbench. You can increase or decrease the size. Just click on this output to the string. Here we are saying that we will use the input format as the text, and the output data encoding we want to use ASCII value. So you can use ASCII value from here. It will show you a lot of options, that is what kind of the text you want to input. You want to input binary, octal, decimal, hexadecimal, or base 64. So we want to use normal text, and the encoding scheme we are using ASCII. For the output purpose, it is also showing what kind of the output you want. You want the text file, you want the text in the binary format, you want to use octal, decimal, hexadecimal, or base 64. So for this purpose, for the output purpose, we are using hexadecimal values. So it will generate the code in the format of the hexadecimal. There is no problem what kind of the format you want to choose. Just click here and connect to the output file. Now our algorithm is ready. This is the key generator. What is the key generator algorithm? You can study this from your textbook, and this is the DES algorithm. So for this purpose, just click on the setting. Here it is asking about the file name. So for this purpose, what you need to do, you need to generate one source file, because it is asking about the open file. So go to the place from where you want to send the file. Suppose that for this purpose we want to create our own source file, which is text document. You can say that this is input or plain text. Click here, write some message. Suppose that this is the message. Click here and save this text. So now you need to click on the open file. From here, where is your source file? Just go to the source file. We have given the name input. So select the input file or the file where you have stored this source file. So one file is given. Now what about the output? Just click on the file. It is asking about where you want to save the file. Just click on the save file. We want to save the file on the desktop, and I want to give the name or ciphertext. This is the scenario you can see from here. We are using one source file, and next we are using one encryption algorithm for the DES. This is the key generator, this is the input key, and this is the output file where we want to save this file. Our algorithm is ready for the execution. Now just click on the play button. So when you will click on the play button, after the execution it will give you some message. Okay, that is the calculation is finished. Okay, so where is our ciphertext or our output? Just go to your destination file we have used ciphertext as the file. So this is the ciphertext for our message. Our encryption for the given text is completed here, and the text we are using in the format of the hexadecimal values. Now suppose that our encryption is correct or not, that is decryption should be there. So for this purpose, again go to the start center, because we have used this text. This text is generated with the help of the previous algorithm. So here again go to the wizard section, again go to the encryption and decryption, click on the next button, go to the modern block cipher, because for the encryption and decryption we need to use same set of the algorithm. So symmetric encryption and decryption, DES, click on the next button. This time we need to use decryption. Now our message, which is the message we have generated from the encryption algorithm, just copy this one and write your message here. Right, this is the ciphertext. Click on the next button. So this was the original message in the format of the hexadecimal values, and this is the plain text we have written. And for our algorithm, you can see from here, this is the input file. This was our original message. So the message is decoded